You're listening to Oncle Jazz.
As we now use our eyes to receive instead of read, having given too much care to the flower when it should be received. Using our words to offend, forcing our souls to harden, when we forget the then beloved our growing garden. If we choose to abstain from the rain that causes harm, how will we ever maintain, keep sane, and reach that future and that farm? Intimacy is scary, but intimacy is also brave.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby.
I'm heading now sa 7-Eleven. Dahil ayun na naman ang alam kong bukas 24/7. So madilim. Like, okay lang yan. Wala pa kasi akong ligo eh. Like, biglaan kasi papunta sa hospital. So, I just buy something to eat. Then, I'll go back na sa hospital. So, guys, sa elevator na ako. Bilis ako kasi creepy yun. Hindi lang ako sorry sa face ko. Super pagod, super puyat na ato. At wala pa na ko. Sorry. I'm going back na sa bar.
Around for me, kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your
Girl na hindi mo pirme sa bakoy. Aalis na naman ako. Check.
as I see it, you're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. And when we're making love,
Hi guys. Asas ko yung focus kapagod. Gusto ko na umuwi! Martida, wala pa ako isang orasan dito. Gusto ko na umuwi. Hindi ko pa sure.
Grabe nga talaga. I-graduate mga students. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Tayo, ganon. Opo. Sanin? Are you taking my Mag-go. Makukulan ako ng story. Ito ka. Kulang naman. 1, 2, 3. Sana naman ay mapagkaibigan na mapagkita lumubog ng universo sa leon lang.
everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look.
Sa school lang naman ang kailangan na to. Nakaunti naman na naman ang clearance pa lang ito. Dito na ko yung tawga. Since I'm graduating tomorrow, yes, I survived. OMG. Gonna meet with Seth later. Sa Puresa lang siya. May kinuha na naman sa Nilay. So yeah, see you later. So, at gonna lie, I'm gonna miss this spot. Like kahit na, wait lang, naiinis ako. Ano yun, nakikita ko. So, even though inis ako sa school ko and tamad ako mag-aral or pumasok talaga. Like, I'm gonna miss this way kasi everyday dinadaanan ko to tuwing pauwi na ng bahay. So, yeah. Thank you, Gardner. Oh, thank you, Gardner!
Look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah.
Vlog ka. Masagalaan pero may online class. Ayan ang mabuting estudyante. Bye-bye, ingat ka!
Who would have thought I'd get you?
Hi guys. Super OA ng mga taong walang load. Darling, darling. Sino siya? Ano? Pusliha. Makeup look. Ay, sobrang slay.
And I'll take some time just to be.
Sobrang init. Grabe ng paghihintay. Makabilad sa araw. Kainis. Yes, we both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. Ay, nadaan bang ko?
Anything